Sweet, look what we got. It's a nice Civic wagon. Oh, stick shift. Super clean driver's seat. So,
who needs a heat gun when you have a 1989 hair dryer?
That's it. Oh, it looks clean. It's the fourth coat. I like the gel you told me. With the threaded piece, yeah. Looking pretty good.
That shit should be good.
Oh, dude, a coin. No. Who's gonna do the harness?
Not me.
Whoa.
Oh, look at this. Look at that wire job.
Dang, it's all factory.
Some HIVs or LEDs, one or the other. Headlights. I guess they stopped on the fenders with the paint. This one gonna need some love.
It's all stock. That injector probably is leaking fuel.
It looks like it, right?
Yeah, I got 2 injectors, they're leaking.
So it's like throttle body injection.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Alright, last time I was working on this engine, we did the bowl clearance and readjusting the timing marks, but the belt was a stretch out. We had to replace it. So in this video, that's what we're going to do, replacing the timing belt. Plus, we're gonna replace all the gaskets. Make sure the engine don't leak anymore.
Alright, look, so I got harmonic balancer off. AC belt is out of the way.
Alternator belt.
Oh, alternator, shit. Alright, so it's loose. So now, time and tension. Uh-oh.
Darth Vader.
Alright, so we just got the new cam seals in. Just make sure you grease them up and slide them in easy, don't rush it. The last ones that I put in, they got pinched, so they were leaking. So now time just to throw the timing belt on, the timing cover, and then that's it. Just make sure it's in time. That's it.
You just slowly work it in.
Alright, so on a quick little side note, other than the cam seals, also doing some axle seals. See right there, pushing the new ones in. Same thing, grease them up like the cam seals, and then just make it to where the hard part of the seal is flush with the case. But just take your time, no rush. And all we did to get to the cam seal is we undid the upper ball joint, loosened that up, and then also took the axle out and then took the tie rod off to get access to the seal. Pop it out with a flathead and then just press your new one in slowly. Give it right. Alright, so seal is in, all clean, ready to go. Of course, always use OEM Honda for the seal, that's what we recommend. And then just install your axle. Go ahead and put your upper ball joint back in. Put your strut tight at the bottom, your tie rod, and then put your wheel back on and you're good to go. Alright, so one cam gear's on. Make sure you put your keeper in place.
Turn the engine until it hits the mark. So you're gonna show it.
Right, so timing belt's on. It's in time. He's gonna go ahead and rotate it all the way around just to make sure everything's perfect.
Perfect.
Look at that factory. You see the lines there? Perfect. You always want them perfect like that. And then I'm not sure if you'll be able to see the line on the oil pump with the camera.
Oh, it is perfect.
But it's right there. There's a mark on the oil pump housing, and then you just line it up with the gear. Yeah, I can't really see it, but
Try to see on the end.
There we go. So you see the mark on the housing, and then you see the mark on the gear itself. You want them to line up perfect, just like that. So you line those up perfect, line your cam gears up, and that's it.
Alright, timing belt's on, timing cover is on, bar cover gasket is on. All we gotta do is the oil pan gasket. Oh, it's dripping on. Let it go, let it go, let it go.
Oh, shit.
The strainer.
Oh, yeah.
Where's the... Okay, we're putting back our shiny intake tube. Here we go. Clean. Alright, we just finished all the seals and timing belt. She is running clean and fresh. It looks perfect, everything. Clean. Alright, see you in the next video.
I don't know about that big booty. I don't know about that booty.